How to enable dark mode for all websites in Chrome. Here's how. If you want to force dark mode on websites in Google Chrome, including Gmail, there's a hidden Chrome setting that can help. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Open a new tab. Click the address bar at the top. Type chrome://flags. Press enter. Now you'll see the Chrome Experiments page. At the top, find the search box. Click inside the search box. Type dark mode. Look for auto dark mode for web contents. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu set to default. Click the drop-down menu, select enabled. Chrome will now show a relaunch button at the bottom of the screen. Click relaunch to restart Chrome. Once Chrome opens again, websites that normally use a light background can be displayed in dark mode. For example, open Gmail, and you'll notice that the email content can now appear in dark mode as well. Keep in mind that this is an experimental Chrome feature, so some websites or images may not look exactly as intended. If you want to turn it off later, return to chrome://flags. Find auto dark mode for web contents again. Change it back to default or disabled. Then click relaunch. And that's how you can enable dark mode for websites in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.